This is Chris Johnson to introduce all my hey brothers and sisters of the Onpassive family. Let's do this!
This is Karina Lyons. Hey.
Robert Tantulo here. Hey.
Cynthia Brown. Hey.
Jerry Gonsalves. Hey.
Dawn McIntyre. Hey.
This is Gina Leva. Hey.
This is Kevin Rutledge. Hey.
Mr. Tuick. Hey.
This is David Switzer. Hey.
Noel Walcon. Hey.
Pam Turner. Hey. Hey. Diane Lennon. Hey.
Hey, it's coming! Onpassive, it's coming!